As of now, we have seen top keyword is going to display the required number of rows on the screen. But apart from this, we can check how many distinct values are there. Let's see. I'm going to check how many. For this, what I will do, I'll write distinct command for over model ID ratings and laptop table. So it will display distinct value on the screen. Suppose because it's having most of the model IDs are unique, so it's not going to reduce the number of rows. But instead of model ID, I'm going to copy this column name, which is having only two numbers, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So I'm going to paste that active on website from the table and from laptop. You can see only two values are displayed, 0 and 1, which means only two distinct values are existing in my given column name, active on website, that is 0 and 1. So this is how you can show, you can remove the duplicate value, or you can see the distinct values, unique value in your, I would say unique value in your table. All right. Now you can check, you can see other columns. So I'm going to create new query. So here I'm going to write where clause, which is most widely used in the SQL query. Suppose I'm going to use select star from my table name, that is laptop underscore table, and adding one more column here, that is where clause, where ratings. I want to print the ratings which is greater than 3.5. So let's have a look the nature of ratings. So the nature of ratings are around 4.5 something, 3 somewhere, it is 3.7 you can say. So I'm going to close it here. I'm going to, I can close this query also. Yes, you can say, you can save it in the given location, else you can say no. So I'm going to delete this query also. No, I can delete this query also, and I don't want to save it now. I can delete this query, and now here I'm having where clause. So the query which is having greater than 4.0. So you are having only the rows, those are having greater than 4.0. All these values of ratings, those are having below than 4.0 are truncated. Else you can check the ratings, those are having the rows, those are having ratings greater than 4.5. So none values are there, hence showing null on the screen. Suppose I'm clicking 4.1, so it is showing 4.1. Okay, suppose I'm creating 4.2. So in case of 4.1, I'm having 27 rows. In case of 4.2, now I'm having 22 rows only, because all the rows are having ratings greater than 4.2. So this is the significant value. You can see for other values, like also in case of active underscore on website, if it is equal to 0, let's see how many rows are there, those are having active on website equal to 0. So you can see only 4 rows are there which is having values equal to 0. All right, suppose I want to see only the rows those are having active on website on 1, that is true. So you can see none rows are having active on website as false value. which means it has truncated the rows those are having respective 0 values. So this is the significant value of the rows. Similarly, you can apply the where clause on other price values, like price is greater than. Let's say I want to check the laptop. I want to uh, fetch the laptop range beyond, let's say, 40,000 price, 40,000 rupees. So I would write select a string from laptop table where price is greater than 40,000, and I'm going to execute. You can see I'm having only 21 rows, which means all these columns, all these rows, and all these this one attributes are having 40,000, price greater than 40,000, right? None laptops are having 40,000 means price below than 40,000, right? Similarly, you can remove the 40, let's say 50,000. I want to have the price tag beyond 50,000. I'll execute the command, and now I'm having only 12 laptops. Those are having 50,000 range, beyond 50,000 range. All right. If you want to check the less than value, less than 50,000, you can execute the command, and the price is now 50,000. Your budget is not allowed to buy the laptop those are having more than 50,000 cost, so you can have less than in case. So it depends upon the situation, what are the values in there. All right. Suppose you want to check the ratings, like price, you want to check more values. So in case of less than 50,000 and more than 35,000. So in case I'll do price less than 50,000 and price is greater than 35,000. Right? So I'll execute the command, and I can see only 21 rows. Right? Let's say I'm having 40,000. I'll execute the query, and now displaying only 9 laptops. Those are having price in between 50,000 and 40,000. So it is greater than 50,000 and less than 50,000. So if you are ranging along range is allowed, means allowing in between 40,000 and 50,000, you can apply the AND operator over. So this is how we can perform, and make sure you are not writing OR operator, right? In case of OR, you will have the different value. Now you are having all the rows, because all means either this condition true or this condition is true. But so this is allowing all the condition, like if 25,390, so this first condition is true. Obviously 25,390 is less than 50,000, obviously, so this must show on the screen. If you are having this any price 85,390, this is beyond 40,000, so hence it is showing on the screen. So these two values are true for every rows. If you are having more than 1,000 rows, it will display all these values, because we are giving OR operator here. But in case of AND operator, it will give the in between values, only the range in between 40,000 and 40,000. So this is the significant value of AND and IND along with the where clause. Thank you.